Hello there, my name is Yavor Milchev and I'm the co-founder and creator of Discounts on Cart Pro Edition. As a quick introduction, I first started writing code back in 2005. Since then, I have worked on e-commerce websites with thousands of visitors per minute, on online banking software that powers over 700 banks here in the US, and I've coded the front and back end of websites that have made billions of dollars for their owners. Now I have partnered with Billy Buckles, who is the best marketing and optimization guru that I have ever worked with. Together we've created an app development company called the Shop Doctors. We are combining our optimization and development experience into building best-in-breed Shopify apps. Discount on Cart Pro Edition is our first app, and it has already helped hundreds of shops increase their cart to order conversion rate by combining two very powerful conversion drivers, discount codes and free shipping tiers. Some shops, including our own, have seen a 20+% increase in cart conversion rate after using the app. I've designed a really simple way for you to configure the app by yourself, regardless of any previous coding or Shopify experience, and I'm going to walk you through it now. This is my development shop. I've installed the app already, however I haven't configured anything yet. The app is disabled by default so that your customers don't see any changes until you want them to. The first thing you need to do upon installation is to configure the cart summary widget that will be added to your shop's cart so that it matches your design. I can change any of the text that the app generates. All of the colors are customizable. I can use HTML if I want to, and I can see my changes in real time in the preview on the right. Next, I'll set up my shipping estimation. The shipping estimation feature enables you to add shipping cost to your cart summary, which is not possible in Shopify by default. For shops that offer a free shipping tier, like free shipping on orders over 50, one of the benefits of this feature is that it can let your customers know how much more they need to spend before they reach the predefined free shipping tier. This is a highly effective way to increase average order value. The default settings here allow most shops to use the rates that are already defined in your Shopify shipping zones. But again, everything is customizable and you can even provide manually defined rates if you need to. I can now go ahead and add a cart summary widget to my shop's cart. Make sure that you see the actions that appear on hover. They allow you to choose where a widget is injected. If you do not see them, something may be preventing the installer from activating. Sending an email to our support address is a great way to resolve any incompatibilities quickly. First, make sure to add something to your cart so you can see the complete cart. I've already done this. Most kinds of carts are already supported, so once you've added something to your cart, you either go to your cart page or open your drawer cart. Now that I have my cart pulled up with an item in my cart, I'll hover over the existing subtotal in order to replace it with the widget. Note that I can also add the widget above or below it. Sometimes it's not easy to select the right element. In this case, the expand action makes it simple to select the surrounding element in order to achieve optimal placement. After I replace the existing subtotal with the widget, I can hide any elements that I don't want to display while the new widget is active. This is useful for automatic discounts which would show up above the subtotal in certain themes. You can also click inside the selection to lock it until you hover onto the app's action. You can use the reset action at any time, so experiment. Don't be afraid of doing something wrong. You can always start over at the click of a button. And there are many ways to achieve a desired placement. Once you're happy with the widget's location, you can click accept. Don't worry, the widget will not be live until you go to the app's homepage and set the app live. Provide a name for the widget and save. Now I can see my new widget in the list of widgets on the installation page. When using a drawer cart, don't forget to also add a widget to your cart page. One way that you can get to the cart page that works on most shops is by going to the checkout page and then clicking cart. The app is still disabled on my test shop. When I'm ready, I can toggle the app live. Now let's see what our customers are seeing. Sure enough, it's exactly what we saw in the preview. If you have any questions or need any help customizing the widgets, just reach out to us using the support email in the app and we'll be right on it. Thank you for watching. This was Yavor Milchev from Discount on Card Pro Edition.